Welcome to the Beck Taxi driver app training video. Logging in. To log in, you will enter your driver ref, PIN number, and vehicle number. Your driver ref is the 7 digits of your taxi license. Your PIN number is your current 10-digit mobile phone number, as you currently enter it now when logging in. Your current mobile phone number must be up to date to log in, and for the new features to work on your phone. Ensure the correct vehicle number is shown in the vehicle ref field, and you do not need to enter your qualifications or preferences, as we have these on file. For example, you will not need to enter will trans, VSC or pet friendly. Display settings. When you launch the driver app, it may appear upside down. To fix this, tap the menu button top right of the home screen, and then tap display settings. Swipe the button beside flip app. You can also change the text size or display theme. To use buttons instead of swipe for trip status updates, toggle the job status by swipe to the off position. Tap the arrow top left-hand side corner of the screen to save your settings and return to the home screen. Booking in. When you log in, or when you complete a trip, your status is automatically set as busy. To book in and make yourself available again, you must tap the available button. Accepting and completing trips. When you are offered a trip, tap the accept button. You have 10 seconds to accept the offer. Please note that if you do not accept the trip, or if you tap the decline button, you will be booked out, your status will be set as unavailable, and you will not receive another trip for 20 minutes. After accepting the trip, swipe or tap the arrived button, and only when you have arrived at the pickup location. This sends a notification to your passenger that you have arrived. When you have your passenger on board, swipe or tap the POB button. This is the same as the start trip button that you have been using until now. To no-show the trip, tap the small green options button, top right-hand side corner of the screen, and then tap the no-show button. The driver app has a brand new feature called the customer contact number. Please save this phone number now. Your calls will be connected to your customers through dispatch, using the number below. All calls are recorded. If your customer dials this phone number, your cell phone will ring. The call display will say Beck Taxi. You and your customer will not see each other's phone number. This phone number is the connection between you and your active customer. To complete a trip, slide or tap the stop button. This button will then turn into the end trip button. Slide or tap the end trip button to confirm your trip is complete. If you are completing an in-app trip, and if you are prompted to enter the fare amount, tap the fare field, and the fare amount box will pop up on screen. Enter the meter amount, plus any van-related fees, then press the save button, followed by the submit button. Tap proceed on the trip summary screen to complete the trip. Flagged fares and hail to pay in-app. While your status is available and you pick up a flagged fare, tap the I am busy button and then select hired. This will also book you out. If your customer is paying in-app, they can enter your car number into the customer app and you will receive a 4-digit code and a message. Provide the 4-digit code to your passenger to create the hail to pay order. If you want to book out and stay logged in, tap the I am busy button, and then select the long break, engaged button. When you are ready to book back in, tap the available button, top of the screen. Location calls now means bids table. Location calls will not be communicated over the radio anymore. When there are no available drivers close enough for auto dispatch, trips will be presented to drivers on the bids table, located on the home screen. You can choose to accept a bid, but you must be booked in to see the trips on the bids table. No orders will be dispatched to drivers who are not booked in or available. Order history. To see a list of all your completed orders, tap the bookings button and then tap completed. Your order history will not disappear after you log out. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.